guys, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show my current desk setup. I wanted something that felt very cozy, very me, and just a place ultimately that I would be completely comfortable working at. So on the left side of my desk, I have a lamp that I believe I bought from Walmart. My headphone stand is from AliExpress. And then my headphones are the Jabra Elite 85H. They have an active noise cancellation feature, which is great for when you're trying to get work done. So I highly recommend these. And then if you pan over, I have this pressed flower candle that I picked up from Michael's about a year ago. I love it. I love the flowers and the pressed leaves inside of it so much. And then on top of my monitor stand, I have this little gyroid. I love him so much. I got him off of Etsy and then I painted him. And then I ordered this acrylic monitor stand from Amazon. I love it. I had just an all white one there, but I feel like the acrylic creates the illusion of like a much bigger space, and I just love the way it looks on my desk. My mechanical keyboard is from Royal Kludge, and I ordered this one off of Amazon. It is completely wireless, which is great. And my mouse, which is probably my favorite thing on my desk, is from Smoko. It's a potato mouse, and I love his little legs and his little arms so much. On the right side of my desk, I have a little Totoro plush that originally was a keychain, but I cut it off. This lamp is from Target. I love it. As I said, I have a lamp here too. It just helps create the mood if I'm working at night. And then I have my Xbox Series S here for whenever I want to play video games. Got a vase with some baby's breath and a bulletin board with just a calendar, some art prints, and then my word for 2023. My desk chair, I actually found at the thrift store. It was brand new with tags. I think I got it for probably $6, which is insane. It's so nice. It's fake leather and it's super comfy for when I'm working all day. So this is the lower portion of my desk, and let's move up to the top. So I made this shelf myself just with some wood from the hardware store and some brackets. And I've got a light up bear. So cute. Also from Smoko. Got a wavy mirror from Amazon. A mushroom jar from the Target Dollar Spot. This is the mom's plushie from Animal Crossing. I won this in a giveaway and I was so excited about it. So I love this so much, but this is from Pearson Market. I'll link it in the description down below. And I've got a vase that I think I got from Target Dollar Spot maybe like 6 years ago. And I just put some fake greenery in there. And then lastly, I've got my Mophie keyboard, which I ordered from Amazon. Sometimes if I'm not feeling the white keyboard, I like to switch it out for something a little bit more colorful. And that is about it for my desk tour. I absolutely love my desk and I'm moving soon. So I hate that I have to take all this down, but this is my desk and yeah.